To turn on the Galaxy Z Flip 6, I'm going to assume you have attempted to press and hold the power button, but the screen is still fully black. So what we will do instead is we're going to press and hold both power and volume down. So press and hold these two down and keep them held down for between 30 and 45 seconds. This is the first solution. So what may have happened is the phone may have glitched out, the software may have frozen, and by doing this will forcefully restart the operating system. So we'll just see if this turns on, and once it does, release from the buttons. If that works, awesome. If not, what's happened is the display connector or the battery connector is unplugged from the phone. So what we need to do to solve this is, first of all, we're going to go to the back of the phone, and with two fingers from the bottom side, we're going to push down really hard, maximum force, all the way across the back of the phone. Okay, so we'll do the entire back like this. I'm speeding this up for the demonstration, but for you want to spend a good time on this. Press really hard all the way around the back of the phone. Now with two fingers, tap really hard, maximum force, all the way across the back. I'm tapping lightly and quickly. You want to properly go through all of that, and then try pressing and holding power and volume down again for 45 seconds. You will also want to check the charging port. So if there's lint or dirt in the charging port, that may have blocked the charging, and that's why the phone is dead. So what you can do is you can get like a needle or like a brush and just give this a good clean, and then get rid of the junk. Try and plug the charger in. If all of that fails, then your phone is faulty and it will need to be brought into repair by Samsung or any third-party provider.